Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is JaydePierce. So I filmed this makeup look for you today earlier. I used different lips though, but I wanted to change the lips for this video. But I do actually really like the nude. But I thought I would film my curly hair routine for you as well. This has been one of my most requested videos. A little bit of a background story on my hair. So I kept my hair curly for 2 to 3 years from the ages 17 to 19, I'd say. And I kept my hair curly for 2 years because my hair was so damaged. I was so sick and tired of it looking like hell. I wanted my hair to be back curly. So I took it upon myself to stop using heat altogether completely. And I kept my hair curly for 2 years, and then I started with straighteners and weaves and all that again. One bad thing about me is that I get really bored of my hair very quickly. So I change my hair all the time, not necessarily the colour, but more so the hairstyle. And because of my job and because of all the different sort of looks that I do and outfits I put together and stuff, different hair goes with different makeup, different hair goes with different outfits. So it's kind of hard to stay curly 24/7. I have been taking my healthy hair journey fairly seriously. Not as seriously as before because I'm still using heat every now and then, but usually my hair is always just natural and just curly. So recently, if I want my hair straight, I'll give my hair a blow dry, and I do my blow dries myself, and my hair actually stays straight like that for about a week. I don't have to keep reapplying heat, I don't have to keep using a hairdryer or any straighteners or anything like that. I never use straighteners, I only ever use a hairdryer, but I've cut that down a lot. So I probably give myself a blow dry like once every 2 weeks. So because of my healthy hair journey, a lot of you have been asking me what have I been using, because when I first started this, everyone was like, your hair looks like crap, please stop wearing it like that. A lot of you were nice as well, but a lot of you were like, your hair looks dead, and I was like, yeah, I know, like this is sort of the journey, it is dead. And now my hair's getting a lot more curly. I've only been doing this for a few months, but my hair is in so much better condition than it was at the start. If I find any pictures, then I will insert some pictures here of what it was like then. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I've been doing for my curly hair recently, what products I've been doing, what methods I have been using. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I do the headscarf that I've been using recently. It's super easy, but super effective. And yeah, please keep watching. So I'm going to take my hair out. So I haven't really done anything with it today. I put it up quickly for the makeup look so I could take some pictures, but I haven't really done anything, as you can see. Probably haven't washed my hair in about 4 or 5 days, so it's definitely due a wash, and I'm just gonna go through what I do with you guys. So I've wet my hair, and I'm gonna be using my fingers to finger comb my hair. I do this because it's a lot better than using a brush. A brush can actually pull out some of your hair, so this will avoid hair loss. Next, I'm going to take this argan oil and almond milk smooth and tame shampoo by Shea Moisture. I really like this shampoo because it doesn't strip your hair, so I don't feel like my hair is really dry. It still leaves all the moisture that my hair needs. And I only shampoo the top of my head and the back, so I don't shampoo all of it, just because when I rinse it out, the shampoo will go down and it will clean the rest of my hair anyway. Next, I'm going to be taking this marshmallow repair mask by Tropikalbliss. I love this stuff. It smells so good, and it actually has the texture of like melted marshmallow. It's crazy. So I put this throughout my hair, in the tops, I put it in the ends, I put it literally everywhere. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to put my hair in a bun and leave this in my hair for 15 minutes.
Now my hair is freshly washed. I'm going to be taking this Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. I love this stuff. I love how it smells. I've been using it for a long time. I take a pump and a half to 2 pumps and I put it throughout my hands, and this is going to go all over my hair. And I put this in my hair and I leave it in my hair. I don't wash it out, and it's completely fine to do so. It doesn't leave anything bad in your hair, it just adds a bit more moisture. Now I'm going to be taking Cantu's Curl Activator Cream, and I personally feel like every girl with curly hair needs this, especially if you need help with your curls. So I take this, I spread it throughout my hair. I don't section my hair and put it in that way, only because my hair doesn't actually like loads of product, so I just sort of put it in my hands and do it that way. Then I take the Coconut Curling Cream. This smells so good, and I get a little bit, and I just tip my head upside down and I just scrunch that in my hair.
Okay, and this is when I just leave my hair to air dry for about half an hour. So typically I would get in the shower, do this routine, and then I would leave my hair to dry like this while I'm doing my makeup. And then by the time I've done my makeup, I'm ready to blow dry my hair. So the reason why I blow dry my hair is because my hair just doesn't get big enough without it. If I leave my hair to air dry, it's sort of just, it just looks a bit sad. Like the curls are really defined, but it looks flat. I like my hair to be huge, so that's why I use a hairdryer. The reason why I air dry my hair before I blow dry it is because the results are just so much better. If I just blow dried my hair straight away from here, my hair does not go anywhere near as curly. So what I feel like happens, this is my little theory, with all the products that I've got in my hair, it is all working, and then when half an hour, 45 minutes goes by, my curls are fairly defined, and then I can go get the hairdryer and then it just makes it big. So I'm going to leave my hair to air dry for about half an hour, and then I will be back to show you what I do after. Okay, so my hair's been hair drying and the curls are a lot more defined. So still not super curly, but you know. Now I'm going to take my hairdryer. I use the GHD hairdryer. I don't have a diffuser, which is one thing that I'm missing from my curly hair routine. I need to go and buy one for this hairdryer. But a lot of you recommended that I use a diffuser, but because I don't have one, I can't use one at the moment. But if you have one at home, then I suggest using it because apparently the results are a lot better. Anyway, so I am going to just blow dry my hair upside down, and I'm going to blow dry it on a medium heat. So there's cool, medium and hot. I blow dry my hair on medium heat, and then throughout I switch to a cool setting. So I switch between them both. So at first I don't actually touch my hair. I just leave the hairdryer to do what it needs to do. I'm on my phone or whatever. And then when I feel like it's getting more dry, I get my fingers, and when it's upside down, I sort of lift the hair and keep blow drying it. Not upside down, but I keep blow drying it, and I lift it, blow dry, lift it, blow dry, and then I start scrunching the hair and then keep blow drying it. You'll see though. My hair is pretty much dry now. I'm just going to leave my hair for about 5 minutes before I continue blow drying. The reason why is, again, for some reason it has a better effect on my hair. I just prefer leaving it for a little bit and then going back to it. So 5 minutes. I don't know if you can tell, but leaving it a little bit just made it that little bit bigger. I'm going to blow dry it some more for a couple minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like currently. So it's fairly big now, but I just feel like sometimes the bigger is the better, you know? Like, I like my hair huge. So I get an afro comb, and then I start getting sections of my hair and I start puffing it up like this. Poof, poof. And this will make it stay big. I then tip my head upside down and do the same thing. So you want to do it gently because you don't want to you know, you don't want to damage your hair and you don't want to lose the curls either. And last but not least, just to hold some moisture, I use the Ouai Rose Hair and Body Oil. I just get a couple of pumps, pump and a half really, and scrunch it in my hair. I suggest if you wear your hair in any particular part in, you part your hair while it's wet, and then when it's dry it should just stay where you put it. I don't really particularly part my hair because throughout the day I'm literally just like, ugh. Sometimes it's in a middle part like this, and then throughout the day I'm just messing with it. One thing I want to say to you guys as well is my hair is actually a lot nicer and a lot curlier on the second day. So before I felt like I had to like wash my hair every day, not wash it but just like drench it every day to make it curly, and then I'd use a hair dryer a lot every day, and then it was defeating the whole purpose sort of thing. But now what I do is I put my hair in like a pineapple, which I'm going to show you in a second anyway. So I put it in a pineapple, in a loose one, go to bed, and then when I take it out I just shake my hair out. I get some water but just in my hands. So I'm by the sink and I get my hands and I get the water and I just scrunch in my hair like that. That should just bring back the curls and make it more defined. And then I get some more of the product, the Cantu products that I was using, and scrunch a little bit in my hair. Again, leave it to hair dry while I'm doing my makeup or doing other things around the house or whatever. And then I get the hair dryer and I blow dry it for about 5 minutes. But overall, if I do that method, my hair's pretty much 100% dry. It's just I want the volume and how big it can be with the hair dryer. So that's why I'll go with the hair dryer after that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I use my headscarves. So super easy. I just get 2 hair bands. I tip my head upside down and I tie it like I'm about to put it in a bun. Pretty much like that, and that's how I'll sleep with my hair as well. I get the scarf, so it's quite a big bit of fabric, and I fold it in half, fold it again, fold it again, fold it again, so it's like that. Get it like that. I like it when it covers my ears, so I do it like that. You want to get the bun / ponytail thing away, and then do 1 knot and then do another knot like that, so it ends up like that. And then I get these bits and I start tucking it in. By the way, if I'm looking over there, it's because I can see myself. I'm sort of using it as a mirror. And then I tuck that one in there. And then this bit ends up messy, but it doesn't matter. And then you just tie it again and then knot it again like it would be a bun. And then you just start taking it out and messing it about, really. Put some bits in the front, leave it like that, tuck some bits. Sometimes I get some pins and I'm pinning it everywhere, but really it's just super messy like that. If I go out like this, then I'll pin it and put it in position properly, but if I'm just taking pictures for makeup looks, then I just leave it like this. So that is my curly hair routine and how I do my headscarves. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. If you have any curly hair girl tips, then please leave them in the comments below. I'm always looking to improve my healthy hair journey in the best way I can. I know I use a little bit of heat, but there's no but really. It just makes my hair look better. I'm trying with the no heat thing. I've reduced it by about 80%, so I'm doing well. I also just want to say, apart from me looking after my hair with hair products, I have been taking vitamins. So I take my Sugar Bear hair vitamins. They are for your hair mainly, but they also help with nails and things like that. They help to grow your hair and improve your hair's condition. I also take multivitamins every single day, and I also take iron tablets because I'm actually anemic. So I'm low on iron, I need more iron, and being anemic makes you extremely tired. So if you take the iron tablets, you should keep on top of feeling really tired. I've also improved my diet, so my eating has got a lot better, and in turn has just made me overall better, my mood's better, and my hair, skin and nails are thanking me for it. So yeah, a combination of just looking after the inside of you and looking after the outside of you is just going to help overall with your hair. I'm so happy with how far my hair has come already, and I just hope it gets better and better. I can't wait to see how curly it can really get. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like this video and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!